Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome to LaMeel Magic. I am Priestess LaMeel of LaMeel.com, and I teach on magic, manifesting, spirituality, and high vibrational living. And this is day 16 in our series of how to ignite your intuition. And today I am talking about letting go of negativity. And this is very common. Everybody knows you need to let go of negativity. So I am going to share with you one of many techniques that you can utilize to release negativity in your life. Particularly negativity that has accumulated within you throughout the day. So this exercise is one that you want to do at night. You're going to need your journal. And after you've taken your shower, you've done your routine, and you really are laying down to rest. So I know some of you may play games, may scroll through social media. You want to do this journaling after you've done all of that, because for a lot of people that stuff is still part of their evening routine. This is something that is best done prior to falling asleep. And as you grow in this area, you may want to actually do a visualization. I prefer visualization, but for this series, we're going to do journaling because that's what we've been doing. So take out your journal right before you're ready to go to sleep, and I want you to write down all of the things that you want to let go. So this is what that looks like for me. I want to release where I became agitated at the cats, because they love to stand in between my legs, and sometimes when I almost trip and fall and feel like, you know, they're trying to kill me, I get really frustrated with them, and I lash out, like I yell at them, stuff like that. So that anger and that energy with them, I want to let go, right? I want to let go when I was agitated, because I'm having to create content differently with everybody home in the house once again, and it didn't flow necessarily the way I wanted it to flow today. When I got on the phone and, you know, so-and-so started expressing themselves the way they always do, but today I had some change for them, right? I want to let that go. I don't want to hold on to that, or I don't want to hold on to what X, Y, and Z said to me out of spite, and because I know they were angry about something else. I want to let go of that old ass man who was driving and who was backing up the fucking traffic under 20 miles under the speed limit. Like, everything that I can recall throughout the day that created an energy of negativity, I then use that time to let it go. And so for you, I want you to start journaling it, right? Let this go, let this go, let this go, let this go. If you want to take that ritual a step forward, you can always fold that up, you can flush it, you can tear it up, you can set it on fire, which is my favorite thing. I'm a fire sign and I love to set shit aflame. So you can do that. If writing it is enough for you, write it, close it, and be done. Release it so that you don't go to bed with these negative things on your heart. So that is under 5 minutes today. And this is an amazing, amazing process. And you're going to go to bed lighter. You're going to feel better in the morning. You're going to sleep deeper. You're going to sleep better. It's going to be, it's a great, great expansion process. So there you have it, your ritual for day 16, letting go of the negative, and in under 5 minutes. I'm getting better at this. I love you guys. If you're interested in working with me, all of the links are down below, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. I don't know what that's about, but I will be there. I hope you'll be there too.